Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Thursday, 24th of August, 2017. My name is Derek, and this will be one on NLC2 exclusively. And I've called this a 2.5 minute warning pretty much because it's like the NFL. They do the 2 minute warning on their games with 2 minutes left in the second and fourth quarters. So therefore, that's why I came up with this. I think most people, at least who know football, already figured that out. And within this video, I'm going to go over NLC2, which has got a lot to do with fantasy sports. Thus, fantasy sports has a lot to do with the National Football League. And the NFL kicks off in 2 weeks' time. Therefore, I'll be going over this chart for 2.5 minutes very shortly. And it's something I think that is going to do very well. I got a decent position in. So then, without further ado, let's start this for the technical analysis right now. Okay, this thing had a great, beautiful upwards gain. Now notice the rate of ascent, well, it's noticeably high. The gains, okay, so we go from like what's this bottom area here, like 12, 13, up to like 10. Okay, 7, 8x gain, and even from this break in these key points in here, 22, 25, you're still getting a 4x, 5x gain from some of those lower points as well. So in these markets, and that's almost any cryptocurrency code, when it's ready to go up, oh my goodness, does it ever go up to extreme proportions at times, this being one of those times. And then after the gain higher, the correctionary phase. You have a price correction, as we see here, profit taking. Everyone who was in here, everyone who was buying in this point. You also got people selling for losses because they bought in here and then they sell down in here for losses. So you get all of this stuff going on as the market goes through these phases. Everything usually does it. You have another little bit of wave of sellers coming in. Nobody's pumping the market up. There's a little bit of profits to be taken and all that kind of stuff. And now this thing has had this uptrend for a while. The uptrend, we can see, hasn't been touched. Like now the uptrend's this. This uptrend resistance line has easily been taken out. Now, I don't know if this thing is ready to go or not, but I do know because the NFL season starts in 2 weeks, I've been thinking there's a good chance this thing will break out before the season starts. So it wouldn't surprise me when you put those together that maybe this is the start of something nice. I don't know if this area here will be resistance when we get to it. However, if it is, I'd be looking for support probably somewhere within this area. But if it breaks through here, what have many of these codes done before? And I'm not even going to try to guess how high it can go other than, well, if it was at 20,000 on Nova Exchange before, then maybe it could easily break that. This is also traded on Yobit, C/CEX, and Cryptopia. And therefore the gains can be spectacular. And that's why I got a decent position in holdings. And I'll be looking to liquidate bits and pieces when it has those decent gains, 30, 40, 50,000. And if I got the opportunity to buy back cheaper because all these markets have these wild correctionary moves, I'll do just that. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.